shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity.
Hello and welcome to Ouroboros Automotive. My name's Logan, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about something that I feel everyone needs to know or should know, and I'm not entirely sure if everybody does. And what that is making your own gaskets. So this is the gasket for my oil pump on my 2000 Jeep Cherokee. As you can see, or you might not be able to, but if you look, these holes are just completely filled with carbon. Like, that is not gasket material, that's just sludge from my engine. The biggest problem is that this gasket is no longer created. So what we're going to do today is we are going to punch our own gasket. And so what I have right here is gasket material, and I'm going to take it, and I know I'm missing a slight piece of my gasket material, but we'll get to that in a minute.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret.
Cool. There we have that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull our pump over here. Make our measurements, make sure we're good. I'll end up trimming off this corner edge here, probably towards the end. But let's go ahead and start punching some things. So, wood board. And this is gasket punches. Now then, we want to kind of line up, verify our holes, since we have such a large issue with the sizing of that one and the amount of carbon buildup. I really want to make sure that I am getting the right size hole. So what I am doing is lining these things up right here. And that should be a better hole for what I need. Then all you do is pop it onto your driver. Line up where you want the hole to be. Take a hammer.
When they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
And there we go. As you can see, everything lines right up. A perfect little gasket. So, if you have any time, or if you get to the point where you do not have a gasket readily available, or they no longer offer it, as you can see, it's not that difficult to make one. This is, like I said, for my Jeep Cherokee, but same process goes for pretty much any time you're making a gasket. So, thank you guys for joining me, and make sure you guys like the videos, subscribe, share it if you know somebody that, well, needs a little bit of help with this kind of stuff. Also, go check out my website, pick up a shirt, pick up a hat, some decals, and again, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys later. Bye.